Welcome back to EduGlance Apanjikrit Vyapar Chinha. A common question I get is, do I really need a certification if I already have an MBA or experience? In 2026, the answer is a loud yes. Certifications are the quality stamp that tell a recruiter you speak the global language of SCM. But with hundreds of options, where should you put your money? Today, we rank the top 10 SCM certifications based on global demand, cost, and salary roll. First, we have the gold standard, APICS. The CSCP is the world's most recognized SCM certification. If you want to be a director or VP, this is your target. If you are more into production and shop floor efficiency, the CPIM is the king. And for those focused on shipping and warehousing, the CLTD is the specialized choice. These are expensive, but in 2026, they are the fastest way to double your interview calls. If your career is in sourcing or procurement, the CPSM from the Institute for Supply Management is your best bet. It focuses on the financial side of the supply chain, negotiation, contract law, and strategic sourcing. In 2026, as companies look to de-risk their supplier base, a CPSM holder is seen as a risk manager who protects the company's margins. The newest powerhouse on this list is the CTSC. In 2026, every company is undergoing a digital transformation. They are moving from old spreadsheets to AI-driven control towers. The CTSC proves you know how to manage that change. It's the perfect cert for those who want to bridge the gap between it and operations. No list is complete without Lean Six Sigma. While not logistics only, it is the language of efficiency. In a warehouse, every error is a cost. A black belt certification tells an employer you can identify waste and eliminate it using data. If you combine an SCM cert with Six Sigma, you become a profit optimizer that no company can afford to lose. Don't ignore regional or tech certs. CIPS is vital if you are looking at roles in Europe or the Middle East. In India, the SCM Pro from Key and IIT Madras is gaining massive respect. And finally, if you want to be a modern analyst, get a Google Data Analytics certificate. It teaches you the SQL and data viz skills needed to actually run the reports that the other certs talk about. So, which one should you pick? Don't collect them like Pokemon. Pick the one that matches your next career step. If you want to lead, go CSCP. If you want to build, go CPIM. This was video #04. Tomorrow, we're going to step into the actual office. We'll look at a day in the life of different SCM roles so you can see where you fit. Subscribe to EduGlance and let's keep building.
Don't forget to subscribe to EduGlance for more career-focused videos.